Alright, I'm going to chuck a vibe down in my favourite colour. Can't remember what colour it is, but it sort of looks like a prawn or a shrimp. Chantel's using bait, I'm going to use a vibe. See who catches the fish first. Got one? Chantel's on. So I guess the bait won. Little grass and sweetness.
Which one?
Straight on.
Yes.
Oh, flathead. What the hell?
Well, that was like instant.
It's a rock flathead.
We catch these back home. Oh yeah, chicken's going everywhere.
That's a crazy little flathead. I'm pretty sure they call it a rock flathead. I caught one.
Now I've just hooked myself. So what, do we let that go?
Yeah, we'll let it go. Just be careful, don't get spiked by it. Looks like a big stonefish. It's a flathead. The man to do it, you'll probably reckon mine. I'll get to fish one day. 2-0. The fishing championships.
Third species. So what's this one, Russ?
Stripey. This is crazy.
Stripey, so that's my third drop. Third fish. Yep.
That's a better fish, I think. Go, Shan. Better one?
No, it's the same as the first one.
Tricky stuff. Pretty fish.
Oh.
Snake. I'm having a good day today.
The conditions are mint.
Oh, bloody oath. Look at this.
It's like a glass out. It's just like so milky. Fish on the bottom. So let's see what we get.
Hopefully a fish. Way up. It's absolutely got pocketinied by a shark. Get it up before the sharks. A little dewy.
Really?
Yeah.
Right species, wrong size.
Little dew that Chantel caught. Right species, wrong size. That's what she was trying to say before. So,
Oh, see you later.
the shark's down there though. We haven't had a fish pull any drag yet, so that's how dismal it's been. Ooh, there's a bit of drag.
Yep.
That's a good fish, eh?
Okay, don't get
I
sharp.
will. Come on, shark, I think.
Sharked?
Yeah, unless that's the fish. I think it's the fish. That's the fish. Don't get sharked, please don't get sharked. Come on. Boy, don't get sharked.
What is it?
Effing catfish.
Oh,
I wonder if it didn't get sharked.
far out.
One of them days, eh?
Oh my
Big
god,
catfish.
that's a massive catfish. What
That.
the fuck?
It stinks.
Maybe think
size of
it's-
that thing. Go away.
What is it?
Coral trout sideways.
Oh.
And all the right species, but all at the wrong size. Beautiful little coral trout, but back to the drawing board.
Yeah, okay.
Mackerel rock or something.
Oh.
Oh, come on, Charlie. Strangled emperor. Oh no, grassy. Might actually keep that one because we can't seem to get all the nice fish. We can, but they're too small. I'll keep you're lucky. You tell all your trout friends and Nanny mates you can swim by. Keep that to bait. Good fish? Go hard, Jen. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Go hard. Good stuff. Going good. You're going good. Just a bigger one of them.
Oh,
Oh.
that seems good.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh, just come off. Sharp. Oh, what is that? Catfish.
Is it?
No, it's a salmon.
It's my one.
Look at this. That's alright. Big blue nose salmon. Right, nice little blue salmon there. He put up a bit of a fight. I thought he was a giant herring there for one stage. But yeah, they fight hard. Mixed bag out here, that's for sure. Back he goes.
Come on now, Spooky.
Oh, Trouty. Welcome to the party.
Oh,
Good fish.
fuck!
Good fish, Ann.
Shit!
Good fish. Good fish. Might be a Jew or something.
Okay, I need to get it in, eh?
Yeah, it's taking big runs. Good fish, Ann, pal. Oh, well, the game on now.
Do I need to hide it?
Catfish. Keep going, don't give up.
I'm not.
Keep going, push. Fish and could be a big fingernail, could be a catfish, we got later. Ah, it's a bloody catfish.
Look at it. So big.
Bloody hell. That's why I didn't get sharks. Catfish.
No, I know. Good one.
Got shark, I think.
Fuck, I'm on. Oh no, no, I'm not. Okay, I'm on. Shit. Mine's staying right on the bottom.
Yeah, go hard at it.
But I can't move it.
Well, I've got my own problem over here.
Holy shit! I think I've been sharked. Is that a shark? Fucking. What do I do?
You wanna get it?
Yes!
Hang on, I'm doing this.
Oh, there we go. I think you're gonna have to do this. Holy shit! Oh. That was insane!
Starfish. Gonna jump. Mine was a good fish. I got it halfway up and just got absolutely smoked.
So got sharked?
Yeah.
And then you got good enough or what?
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't know.
It's coming in. It's
Big
like
stingray or something?
doing weird shit. It's like it's got eaten again. Oh my god.
Oh, I couldn't have done that.
Staying high.
Is that good or bad?
Sharks do that. Might be a tuna. I don't know. Massive longtail. Didn't lead up. See the fish yet though. It's a shark, I think.
Is it a shark? Oh, it's a big shark. Big as boat.
How hasn't it bitten us off yet? I think it was a cobia. That's oh, it's a hammerhead.
Are they crazy?
Yeah, I caught a hammerhead at Weaver as well, remember?
What are you going to do?
From the side.
Ooh, the eyes. How weird are they, hey?
Mm. Really good fish, eh? Don't get sharks. Good morning. We're out fishing. First time in Groote. Very excited. Hopefully we get into some. We've got a couple of marks off the locals and we're going to go towards them and then try and find some spots for ourselves. And yeah, see how we go. Muttley's keen. Muttley. That's a pearler of a day out here, so let's get into them. Alright, I think it's beer o'clock. Might give us some more action. We're not really having that much success today. We've got a couple of trout, about 50 grassy sweet lips. They're in plague proportions here. We've got some blue salmon. We've got a fair few bits and pieces, but nothing that exciting yet. So, I don't know, have a beer, have a relax, get Muttley off to do a wee, and we might get something good. See what happens. Right here. Not much.
One of them milkfish.
It's a coral trout.
Is it?
Kidding me?
Oh my god. How good is that? It's good size.
Beautiful. Trouty.
Whoa.
That's that trout we just picked up on the trawl there. Beautiful bar cheek trout. Awesome fish. Perfect eating size. I think it went about 55 centimetres, I think it was. That's not a bad trout. Beautiful. Take that home for sure. Oh, there's the fish that we ended up with, that we kept anyway. Not a bad little haul. Pretty good tucker there. What do you think about that, Mr. Motley? Yep, very good. So they're not. We've already started filling them. One of the biggest trout. So yeah, it's got to get those done. And that's dinner.